How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Gang. My name is Jose, and in today's episode we are talking about the Bitcoin ETF approval and its relationship with the Bitcoin price, and also other Bitcoin stock related news. So with that, let's start the episode. All right, guys, welcome to another episode of the Crypto Gang. My name is Jose. If you're new here, welcome. And if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. So we are going to start with the Bitcoin price here, which is right now $62,000. And this is the 4-hour chart. As we can see, over the weekend we didn't have much action. I mean, we rallied on Friday after the news of the ETF approval, and then we kind of like slowly came down, and then the bears wanted to take over, and it pretty much they dumped the price to 58.8, but rapidly the bulls gained back control and brought the price to 62.5. And right now we're floating in that area. We see that we have some resistance here on the 61.3 level, and we are pretty much hovering on the $62,000 mark. And if you see here, if I can do this, if you see here, we have some level of support right here, and then we had a level of resistance right here that, because of this rally, it looks like it's becoming a level of support, which is going to be good, because before that, if we go to the daily chart and then we go back to May, I'm sorry, we see that the other level of resistance, there's a level of resistance at 63K. So what I'm trying to say here is that we need to pass this level of resistance here on the 62 mark, and then we might hover a little bit here and kind of like consolidate for like a few days, or like a few days, and then we might attempt to go up, which it should be good. And the good thing about it is that on the 4-hour chart, the stock RSI, it pretty much it crashed bearish not too long ago, but then it looks like it wants to turn to the upside, and that might do a bullish cross. Also here in the RSI, we are given, we are pretty much on the uptrend, which is also great news for the price and for the bulls. And so let's go with the news. This stock, or this ETF that is going to start trading tomorrow, it's the ProShares Bitcoin Futures ETF that starts trading on Tuesday. So pretty much this is not a Bitcoin backed ETF, this is a futures ETF, which is not what we want, because what we want is as a Bitcoin backed ETF, because that will not only give the regular Joe the flexibility to get into Bitcoin, but also it will, because the more people goes into the market, it will increase the price of Bitcoin by lowering the quantity of Bitcoin in the market. So it's good news. I mean, it's the beginning, but it's not what we want. So hopefully we have something in the future. And actually that this might be another great news, because Grayscale, which is, as you and I know, is the institution that holds more Bitcoin. They're pretty much filing for a Bitcoin ETF application to force the SEC hand. So this, if they approve this Bitcoin backed ETF, it will be great, because like I said before, it will give the regular Joe insight into Bitcoin, into cryptocurrency, and it will lower the amount of Bitcoin in the market, which by by normal means it will rise the price of Bitcoin. And another news is that Bitcoin company Bakkt begins trading on the New York Stock Exchange, and that happened today. And Bakkt is it's a digital asset platform. So why this is important, why this is in the crypto, why this is news, is because the stock exchange is the market where regular people go to buy and to invest their money. There's a lot of investors, there's a lot of institutions, but the thing is that the regular people, the non-institutional money, they also put their trust in the New York Stock Exchange. And I know that they might not be for people in regular positions, Bitcoin might not be the safest, or crypto might not be the safest investment, but once they have their look into the New York Stock Exchange, that changes, because they see it as something that is safe, because it's not gonna crash tomorrow, or they're probably not going to like lose all their savings in one day. So that's always great news, because it puts more money into the eyes of cryptocurrency, into the eyes of Bitcoin, and that will eventually have a great impact into the crypto market, into Bitcoin, into all the other altcoins. And talking about altcoins, let's see. I know I have some. Well, actually, let's talk about VeChain here, which I wanted to talk about for a little while. As you can see, whoa, what is this thing? Hold on. So VeChain, it looks like it is on, it has some support right here, and then it had some resistance that it broke last week, and now it's been kind of like consolidating on this 11 cents area right here. Now we see here that on the stochastic RSI, the stochastic RSI, just like Bitcoin's, is kind of like getting ready to flip and hopefully make a bullish cross. That's one thing that so VeChain, that's one asset that you may want to think about, like loading before this parabolic run that we all are expecting. And also that's something that I did just right before we started the today's video. I just load more of VeChain, and also I pretty much load more of Phantom, which is the other asset that we're gonna talk about here. And we see that Phantom, it has this support right here that pretty much is on an ascending trend, and it had this level of resistance here. that Phantom broke it last week. So the good thing about it is that it went up, it came down to test that support, it didn't break down, which is great news, and then it looks like it's going up. So this asset Phantom, you can actually see it in the stochastic RSI, is actually, it looks more clear that it wants to break to the upside, and the RSI is on the 62 level, so it has a lot way to go up. So pretty much those are the two assets that I load before. I mean, like, I've been buying altcoins here and there, you know, but those two are the ones that I just bought more of, and because, you know, I know like VChange hasn't had a parabolic run in these few months. Phantom has, but I know Phantom has more potential to go even higher, and also they have a convention in Dubai coming next week, so that is going to have a great impact in their price. So I leave you with those two assets, Phantom and VChain, and of course we're waiting for Bitcoin to see what it's going to do in the next hours, in the next days, and for the rest of this week. So with that, I conclude the video. My name is Jose. Once again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like the content and like this video. Also, I have useful links in the description below. You know, if you know how to trade, if you know how to use technical analysis, I have some trading sites that are in the description below for like Bybit and Phemex, and also some other useful links. And if you like different merch or crypto merch, I also have some links in the description below, so don't forget to review those links and, you know, support the channel, because the more likes that this video get and the more views that this video gets, the more people is able to look into cryptocurrency, and that way we can change pretty much the world in that sense. So once again, thank you very much, and my name is Jose. This is the Cryptogram, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.